This is your boy Awilo. You know already. We are the city of Lagos. We the streets. We dey ask people a question. Let's go and find out. Follow me, oh. Let me find.
Don't let down we know. Yeah.
Hello. Good afternoon. My name is Awilo. Can I know your name?
I'm Boss Lady.
Okay, Boss Lady. Nice one. Yeah. I have a simple question for you. Okay, between these two people, civil servant and Yahoo boy, which one do you like to marry?
They compare dead and sleep.
Why?
You marry Yahoo boy.
You don't feel marry Yahoo boy?
No. I would rather choose a civil servant.
Oh, can you give us your reason?
Yahoo boy. Hey, they go give you 5 million today. Tomorrow EFCC don't they look for you. So I prefer my peace of mind. So I would rather choose civil servant. Yes, I would rather choose civil servant because Yahoo boy, you know, all these they are scamming people of their money and other things. Even if maybe you enjoy it today, it didn't get to you today. Tomorrow it will affect your children. So I prefer civil servants, even if it's small that his salary is any amount that is earning, we can manage and have our peace. Wow. So that's for me.
Wow,
that's for me.
Wow. Nice one. Thank you.
Thank you, bros.
Wow, nice one. Viewers, here the people we meet, and drop the next question you want us to ask in the comment section. Thank you, and follow us for more video.